ठीक है. So why is it coming in English? Hindi, sorry. Jay Batra. Today's topic is the recent incident of AI engineer, and we are just discussing the article and learning some topics, and as well as discussing the issue also, that what are the reforms that judicial system needs, and what's your take on this incident. You're the only student attending. Okay, you're the only student. I don't know, today there is very less attendance. See, these are the issues that people talk about, but they don't talk about these issues. And it's related to men, and men should also talk about, women should also talk about these issues. Always promise yourself that you will not torture anyone. You can't torture anyone. You can't just put false allegations on someone. Be honest. You have to show your face to God, right? There are very few people who think about others. ऑनेस्टी सबसे पहले आती है. ऑनेस्टी इज अ ट्रेट. आई थिंक जब तक ऑनेस्टी नहीं आएगी लोगों में, इंटेग्रिटी एंड ऑनेस्टी, उसके बाद सारी वैल्यूज ऐसे ही रह जाती हैं, राइट? ऑनेस्टी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. ऑनेस्टी इसलिए इंपॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि ऑनेस्ट रहोगे तो खुद से ऑनेस्ट रहोगे. आप ये नहीं बोलोगे नहीं मैंने उसके साथ ये नहीं किया, उसके साथ वो नहीं किया, राइट? एवरी ह्यूमन बीइंग शुड बी अकाउंटेबल टू द सोसाइटी एंड अकाउंटेबल टू देमसेल्फ फर्स्ट. कि अच्छा मैं कैसा इंसान. यू शुड इंट्रोस्पेक्ट. See in the mirror and ask yourself, have you done anything wrong? Have you hurt someone in your life? ठीक है. Shuman, okay. Do good evening. We don't say do. अच्छा आपने बोला want to do good evening. हम good evening करते नहीं है, do नहीं बोलते हैं. I want to say good evening or I want to greet you by saying good evening. शुमन का जो लाइन है कोई करेक्ट कर सकता है? आपकी ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक है, ठीक है? ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक है. ओके, हु वांट्स टू करेक्ट हिज ग्रामर? I don't see the comments these days. I straight away jump into correcting the sentence. So I've had a habit of correcting grammar mistakes. So the meaning of the word doesn't affect me much. First of all, I want to greet you good evening. Yeah, and the second sentence जो उन्होंने लिखा है वो भी गलत है. Did you have? Okay, अगर past में है तो do you take? तो आप लेते हो क्या? Do you take? Did you have? आपने लिया क्या? Fine, good. ठीक है. Vipul, I want to say good evening to you. Yeah. ठीक है. Good guys. So you know it. अच्छा यहाँ पे ना एक सेंटेंस लिखा है, उसका आप मीनिंग बताना. ओके, आई टोल्ड यू दैट दिस इंसिडेंट हैज सेंट शॉक वेव्स अक्रॉस द सोशल मीडिया एंड अक्रॉस द होल कम्युनिटी एंड सोसाइटी, राइट? So it occurred in the backdrop of ongoing battle between the husband and wife, right? Family battle, and has taken an intriguing turn. तो यहाँ पे लिखा है in the backdrop of something. What is why do we use this? That it has occurred in the backdrop of the current ongoing battle, family battle जो है. Backdrop मतलब backdrop. In the backdrop of ongoing family battle. Intriguing turn ले लिया इसने. Mode. So the first word is backdrop. Now you tell me. Backdrop क्या होता है? Backdrop क्या होता है? Backdrop. Anyone?